It's your boy Crypto Blood. Wanted to do a video that follows up to the number of posts that I put in the Signal room just a bit ago. Sometimes it's better to just do a video to kind of explain everything for you guys. So the new version of the Litecoin USD trading pair based off of Coinbase Signal or feed has been completed, and as you guys can see on your screen now, here are the comparisons. So this is the Hala 724, which is the new one. As I explained in the chat room, significant improvement over the previous version, and we'll take a look at that in a second. But this is year to date, so January 1st to today. 57%, almost 58% profit, net profit. 43 trades, 30% of them are profitable, and the profit factor is over 2. Drawdown, this is what I always keep in mind when developing algos, is the max drawdown. So we want to keep that fairly low in relative to the net profit, meaning if you know, let's say you're willing to, your appetite for risk is a little higher, so you're willing to have a larger drawdown, and this is on 20,000 initial account. If you're willing to have a higher drawdown, you could literally double this, double your trade size, so your drawdown would be double this amount, but your profit would be double that, so you'll be around 100% of your money in net profits in you know, year to date, and your drawdown would be around 26%. But I kept it at around, you know, something small, but still you can see that your profits are great there. And then it kind of shows you average trade, and that is $269 a trade on average. That's kind of including your losses, so that's how much you would make per trade at 43 trades. And average bars in a trade is 30, so that's 30 hours, because this is an hour chart. So on average, we would be in a trade for about 30 hours. Now in comparison to the prior, as you can see, we lost 45% with the Hala 322 algo, which is still, if you look here, this gray line is what your equity value would have been if you would have bought and held. So, and this is our equity value with the trading algo, the blue one. So still much better. If we take a look at performance, you can see here, buy and hold return negative 68%. You would have lost 68% of your money if you would have just held Litecoin. So it was outperforming Litecoin, but I knew I could probably do better, and so that's why we have the new one. Again, wide margins as far as the difference between buy and hold. Again, would still be negative 66% versus making 57% returns, which is a big difference. So I just wanted to show you guys that, so you can see we're currently not in a trade for Litecoin or Bitcoin. I know someone in the rooms asked me if the algo was paused. It's not paused. We're just out of the way, waiting for this pullback to be over with, and the algos will trigger once the market sentiment changes and we start making another leg up. So just wanted to give you guys that update. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me in the chat room. Also, for those still not signed up for auto trading, make sure you do that, because it's very important to make sure we take every trade, wins and losses. We need to take every trade to replicate the performance of the algorithm. So if you miss trades, it's going to change the outcome. Guys, sign up. There's a link in the chat room for the questionnaire to sign up for the auto trading. I'm going to take the amount you're trading, that amount, I have that as a question in the questionnaire. I'm going to take that out. I really don't need to know that. All I need to know is how much are you willing to trade per percentage wise per trade. So I'm not trying to get in you guys' business. Doesn't matter how much you have. It's just I need to know how much per trade of the initial capital you're willing to trade, because I have to put that into the algorithm. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, any questions, just hit me in the chat rooms. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out. Holla.